Okay, in this video today, we're gonna do the ATM setup. You can access the ATM dashboard by using the setup section, or you can use the smart search instead. Once here, click the add button on the top. First, select the ATM type. In the ATM type, you can select fully owned ATMs, which is owned and loaded by you. Partially managed ATMs, owned by you but loaded by a third party, and third-party ATMs, which is owned and loaded by the third party. In the field descriptions, transaction limits, enter the maximum amount a customer can withdraw in a single transaction. In the ATM with fee, enable this option if your ATM deposits include transaction fees in the daily deposits. Denominations, if you load multiple denominations, select only $20. For the bank, select the bank where ATM deposits will be made. In the vendor, select the vendor who processes ATM transactions. And the ATM description, enter the name of the ATM. And there you have it. Your ATM setup is now complete. Thanks for tuning in. And that's all for the ATM setup. I'll catch you guys in our next tutorial.